So Wednesday, the 15th of October, we have a 6 as how we communicate with ourselves. So we really want to listen to our intuition, because there's so many signs and thoughts and visions coming through. And then we have the 7 as our path number. So today you feel like, okay, I need a moment for myself. I need to reflect. I need some time, even if it's just like 3, 10, 15 minutes. Like, give yourself that time. And within your family, give each other that time to just be with yourself and process all that happened today, so that when you're again together, you're really present and you're not still with your meeting or what happened at school or whatever happened in the playground, whatever, just cleanse your mind, do some breathing, take a shower, go in a bath, all these kind of things that are put like a foot bath. I just bought this machine, it's really, really nice. I put on a chair, take a cup of tea, put my feet in the water, some Epsom salt in it. It's really, really nourishing, and it feels like, this is my safe place, my time, right? And we need that nurturing me time, even when we are together. So, I hope it inspires you, I hope it helps you, and I hope you find this moment for yourself today.